pretty windy, but ain't nothing that's gonna stop a fisherman from fishing. We're not gonna go out hella far. We're just gonna go out towards that little shoreline. I don't know if you guys can see it, but then there's that little brown spot. That's sandy flats, and from there it's probably gonna drop a little bit more towards like the deeper areas, more seaweeds, and that's where most of the stripers are gonna be at. So I'm gonna be fishing around that area only. So I don't think it's gonna be too bad for me to kayak. If anything, the wind is just gonna push me back over here to the car, and I can just anchor my kayak on the shore and try to do some shore fishing. Other than that, let's go. All right, let's go. Let's go fish in this crazy wind. It's actually not too bad once you're actually on the water. Doesn't feel as windy anymore. But it's not jinxed that. Let's go catch some fish. Alright, first fish. Nice little 17. So far this dolphin kayak is holding up pretty well in this wind. I mean, it is taking in the water, but it's pretty stable. He hit it right when it hit the water. Alright, another, probably like a keeper. Yeah, probably like early. Shaw, maybe? Oh, that's a keeper. Yep, keeper. Ooh. Just saw a chaser. There you go, this one. Fish on, baby. Oh, there's another one following down there. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a big old weed line right here that goes around right in front of me, and then right here where I'm at is like a deep spot, and then I'm just kind of casting towards all these edge to see if there's any striper hanging around the edge of those weed lines. And you know, trying to ambush bait fish. But since it's kind of windy, I'm gonna work my way all the way over there in front of me, and then I'll float back and cast towards all those deep pockets to see if I can catch some stripers. Get out of the seaweed. This guy might be a keeper. Nice little, probably 17. Oh, I saw a chaser. Probably like small dude though. There you go. Right when it landed. Oh, he came off. He's right there. That one was probably a keeper. There you go. That's a keeper. Baby, for like a nice 18, 19. All right, everyone, so just a quick update. Got one keeper. It's probably like a 19. Wind is kind of dying down, so that's pretty good. I don't have to paddle as much, and fish are biting. If the fishes are here, they'll bite like right away, right after it drops, or like the first few cranks. But if not, then you'll just have to like slowly reel to see if there's any chaser. And then if they don't bite, then just keep moving. Just keep moving until you find a school or you hook up. Oh, there was a chaser right there. I was too quick to reel up my lure. Let's just work our way back by floating down. Alright, yep. That's the keeper for sure. Alright, that's a nice 22 inches or something. Dude, probably like a 16-incher. Alright everyone, so that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun fishing over here at Oneil Forebay, but the only thing that sucked was the wind. It was pretty windy, so if only the wind was a little bit less windy, then I would have been able to like cover more water. Well, at least I caught some fish, and hope you guys enjoyed that video. And I'm sorry if the audio is not going to be all that because of the wind, but so thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the water.